बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हमने जो डिस्कस करना है वो है 50 MCQs अबाउट द टॉपिक ऑफ बायो इंडिकेटर्स। सो फर्स्ट MCQ इज़ डैश रेफर्स टू एनी ऑर्गेनिजम्स स्पीशीज़ कम्युनिटीज़ और बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस which help to qualitatively monitor the status of the environment in which they live. Bioindicators. Zoology. None. Answer is bioindicators. Bioindicators provide adequate and dash information. Reliable, incorrect, all. Answer is reliable. Bioindicators help in the assessment of dash environment. Quality, volume, none. Answer is quality. Dash is also bioindicator. Lichen, plastic, none. Answer is lichen. Microbes are also used as bioindicators, non-bioindicators, all. Answer is bioindicators. Bioindicators are classified into dash types. Many, one, two. Answer is many. Human hair and nail can also act as bioindicators. Biodegradable reagents, none. Answer is bioindicators. Bioindicators have dash significance. Environmental, commercial, none. Answer is environmental. Bioindicators are dash sensitive. Highly, low, none. Answer is highly. On the basis of aim of bioindication, there are dash types of bioindicators. 4, 5, 6. Answer is 4. On the basis of application, there are dash types of bioindicators. 4, 5, 6. Answer is 4. On the basis of IUPS, there are dash types of bioindicators. 6, 7, 8. Answer is 6. Bioindicators are cost effective, unbiodegradable, none. Answer is cost effective. Bioindicators are dash to interpret. Easy, difficult, none. Answer is easy. Bioindicator used in hot air oven. Bacillus atropius, E. coli, none. Answer is Bacillus atropius. The name of bioindicator used in autoclave. Geobacillus stereothermophilus, E. coli, all. Answer is Geobacillus stereothermophilus. Bioindicators are important for sterilization method, surgical method, none. Answer is sterilization method. Bioindicator used for sterilization is Bacillus pumilus, E. coli, none. Answer is Bacillus pumilus. Sterilization is process of growing microbes in laboratory, process of preparation of antibiotics, killing or removing of all the microorganisms from the article. Answer is killing or removing of all the microorganisms from an article. Which of the following method is used for sterilization? Moist heat method, staining, microbial inoculation. Answer is moist heat method. Parental preparations can be sterilized through chemical sterilization, membrane filtration, desiccation. Answer is membrane filtration. Basic principle behind sterility testing is microbes imparts different colors when present as contaminant in any preparation. Presence of microbes can be detected by naked eye in any preparation. Microbes will grow if they will be provided with nutrients, medium, optimum temperature and pH. Answer is microbes will grow if they will provide with nutrients, medium, optimum temperature and pH. Correct sequence of true false for the following statement can be: pasteurization kills all the microorganisms present in the milk. Moist heat and dry heat methods are physical methods. Sterilization. Presence of microorganisms in any food decrease the decay rate of the food. Parenterals and ophthalmics needed to be highly sterilized. TFFT, FFTT, FFFT, FTFT. Answer is FTFT. Which of the following statements are correct? Pasteurization kills pathogens present in milk. Chemical cannot be used for sterilization purpose. Pyrogen test can be used for the test of sterility. Radiation can be used for sterility. 134, 24, 3, 123. Answer is 134. Which of the following comes under physical method of sterilization? Moist heat, oxidation, sunlight, osmotic pressure, lyophilization, ethylene oxide treatment. Answer is ethylene oxide treatment, osmotic pressure, and oxidation. Spore strips are also used as bioindicators, reagents, all. Answer is bioindicators. Bioindicators are dash microorganisms. Specific, general, none. Answer is specific. Which of the following is the best indicator of SO2 pollution? Bryophyte, Pteridophytes, lichen. Answer is lichen. This is a crystose lichen. Peltigira, Hasnia, Rhizocarpon. Answer is Rhizocarpon. Most of the scientists deem the algae-fungal relationship in lichen as halotism. Halotism is a master-master relationship, master-slave relationship, a kind of mutualism. Answer is master-slave relationship. Majorly lichens are the pollution indicators of CO, mercury, SO2. Answer is SO2. The symbiotic association of algae and fungi is known as mycorrhiza, lichen, mycoplasma. Answer is lichen. Vegetative reproduction in lichen takes place by Isidia, Sauridia, all. Answer is all. In the studies on the atmospheric pollution, lichens are important as can readily multiply in polluted atmosphere, are very sensitive to pollutants, efficiently purify the atmosphere. Answer is are very sensitive to pollutants. This lichen is pioneer in xeroseed, reticose lichen, foliase lichen, crustose lichen. Answer is crustose lichen. A common phycobiont in lichens are Sitaria, Microcystis, Theriboxia. Answer is Theriboxia. Rinder moss is a lichen known as Hasnia rockula cladonia. Answer is cladonia. This about lichen is incorrect. Lichen are indicator of pollution. They grow rapidly about 2 cm every day. Some species are eaten by reindeers. Answer is they grow rapidly about 2 cm every day. Lichens are good bioindicators for environmental radiation, soil pollution, water and air pollution. Water and answer is water and air pollution. Spores are formed under dash conditions. Favorable, unfavorable, none. Answer is favorable. Bioindicators are used in microbiology, plasticity, none. Answer is microbiology. Bioindicators used for formaldehyde is Bacillus subtilis, E. coli, all. Answer is Bacillus subtilis. Bioindicators used for ionizing radiation Bacillus pumilus, E. coli, none. Answer is Bacillus pumilus. Bioindicator used in peroxide is Clostridium sporogenes, E. coli, none. Answer is Clostridium sporogenes. Spore ampoules is also used as bioindicators. Reagent, none. Answer is bioindicator. Bioindicator used in gamma radiation is Bacillus pumils, E. coli, none. Answer is Bacillus pumils. Bioindicators are highly abundant, low in rate, none. Answer is highly abundant. Bioindicators are dash specific, site, volume, all. Answer is site specific. Bio indicators provide dash about the health of ecosystem. Information, work, none. Answer is information. Bio indicators respond to impact on environment. Anthropogenics, low rate, none. आंसर इज़ एंथ्रोपोजेनिक्स। यहाँ पर मैंने आंसर की भी टाइप कर दी है। होप सो कि आपको अच्छे से समझ आ गई होगी। थैंक यू सो मच।